Hey you guys, my name is Nia Lawrence, also known as Mocha Mommy in the City, and today I'm here with one of my favorite brands, Loacker, and I am competing to be their next Froth artist. As a mom, I'm always on the go from 7 o'clock in the morning until like 7 o'clock at night. So I need my coffee and my snacks to go. These are so perfect for me, and I always have like 2 or 3 of them in my bag in different flavors. Vanilla, hazelnut, chocolate, they go perfect with my coffee. So the reason why this challenge is so perfect for me is because I am an avid professional coffee drinker. I can't make it through my day without 8 o'clock, a 3 o'clock, a 6 o'clock coffee. So this challenge is gonna be perfect. All right, so I am ready to start my foam challenge. First step. We'll start low with this pour. I'll come and give you a fancy little dip. Okay, teddy bear needs a face. And we're gonna give him a beautiful ear right here, swirl that in. Oh, the pressure is really on for this, guys. Okay, so if you guys love my teddy bear creation, please vote for me so that I can head on to compete for the grand prize at the New York City Wine and Food Festival at the Loacker Lodge. So everyone who votes has a chance to win a Loacker prize box, so please head over and vote for me.